That is some good freaking pizza.
You would not expect to have this kind of pizza in Vietnam.
Pizza party!
Ooh, baby.
Wowie, Maui.
So excited for some pepperoni pie.
It's your favorite time of the day, pizza review time. Quinn, are you excited for this one?
You know I'm always excited for some pizza. And I'm really excited about this one because it's our local neighbor. It is literally one street away from where we actually live. So excited to test this one out.
This final spot that we're going to is called Gordon's Pizza. They're probably one of the most famous ones in Da Nang, Vietnam. Quinn's very excited for some pepperoni pie.
So excited for some pepperoni pie.
Here we go, pulling up to Gordon's New York Pizza. Looks pretty delicious. Hi there. Can we get one pepperoni pizza for takeaway, please? Thank you.
So we're sitting outside waiting for Gordon's. She said about 15 minutes for the pizza. It's a great location and just looks like a really cute pizza brewery restaurant. And it smells really good in there too. Pizza number 4 secured from Gordon's New York Pizza. Nice and warm. It's gonna be delicious on a cold, rainy day.
Pizza party!
Pizza.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Gordon's Pizza.
Ooh.
Looks really good.
Wow. One bite, everyone knows the rules. Here's a cheese pool. Tomato sauce. It's delicious. Pepperoni, so good. Pepperoni tastes just like the pepperoni, good old pepperoni at home that you know you love. It's not very crispy and there's a good amount of cheese. I have to say, this is delicious. The sauce is probably my favorite thing about this. I'm gonna give this an 8.12.
8.12.
Yep.
That's a good score.
It's a good score, it's delicious. Not in the 9 Club, but it's still good. The other ones were just a bit more fresh.
Pizza, one of my favorite foods of all time. This looks excellent. Looks like good quantity of cheese, nice, wet, juicy pepperonis. Could possibly provide a little heartburn, but no problemo. They got Tums out here. Crust, I like it. It looks floppier than it really is. Cheese pool. Ooh, no flop. I appreciate that. This is nice. Put the cheese back on. It's going down. Wow. I actually like this pizza a lot. Excellent cheese, stringy, plenty of it. The sauce is nice, chunky, filled with little bursts of tomato. Love that. Pepperoni, nice. It's also got that little spicy flavor. Dough, love the dough. This is one of my favorite doughs for sure. It's thick enough that it's like kind of crispy, but not overly crispy, and it's dry. I like a dry pizza. I don't like a wet, rolly pizza. This is a really great pizza. I'm gonna have to go 9.13. 9.13, I'm gonna give it a pretty good score. The price was 175,000 dong. Price in US dollars. Pretty good deal. I'd say it's decent size. Excellent pizza, I highly recommend it. There's a reason why it's got as high of reviews as it does.
The next day.
Well, hello friends. It's the Buttons. We are headed to PaPis. PaPis! Pasta, pizza, and steak. It is one of the top rated pizza places in all of Da Nang, and it's just around the corner from us. We've been dying to try it. So tonight, that's what we're doing. We're gonna try it, we're gonna review it, and we are going to take you along with us. We're here. PaPis, pasta, pizza, steak. Let's go.
Hi.
How are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Good, we're here to pick up. So here we are at PaPis waiting for our pizza. They are making it fresh, so fresh. I cannot wait to try it. PaPis is one of the more popular places to go to in Da Nang. It's a high quality restaurant, very highly rated. I feel like you're in an American steakhouse. The restaurant is gorgeous. It is huge. And there's also even a kids playpen upstairs on the 3rd floor. It's a super family friendly restaurant. I had no idea how big that restaurant really was. It's just a really good, cool vibe. Pasta is supposed to be really good. Pizza is supposed to be superb. Steaks sound delicious, but I'm in the mood for some pizza tonight, that's for sure. Pizza bag secured. Yes, we got it. I'm really excited to go home and try our pepperoni pie at home and let you all know how tasty and delicious it really is or is not. Stay tuned. Babe, what time is it? Pizza pie. the moment of truth, the moment we've all been waiting for. I have been wanting PaPis since before we even got here. We heard about this place, so the day has finally come. Ooh, we've got some like pickles and pickled things. PaPis, pasta, pizza, steak, don't forget it. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like.
Ooh, that looks good.
One bite. Everyone knows the rules. All right, here we go. Pepperoni. The olives were a nice surprising addition. I did not know that we were gonna have olives. Looks nice. Little flop. Doesn't bother me. Whoa. That's delicious. There's something spicy in there, and that's delicious. If you know us, you know we love spice. Pepperonis are delicious. Cheese is delicious. A little light on the sauce, and I love a little crispy bubbles right here. Love this. I would give this 8.71.
8.71, that's very good.
It's good. It's delicious. I really like it. It's definitely like Napoleon-style pizza. It's really nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, pizza party time. Very excited. PaPis Pizza, our neighbor pretty much. Very close to us. Little bit of flop. I can see why the pizza's spicy. They got some dried chilies on there, which look quite lovely right now. I'm excited for this one. Not too bad a flop. Crust is nice, dry. Here we go, one bite. That's very good. That is an excellent pizza. It is very light, crisp, spicy because of those peppers, but it enhances the pepperoni. Olives are an additional nice little touch that most people won't even notice. The dough is excellent. The crust is thick enough that it's memorable, but the actual breading underneath the cheese is very, very thin, just essentially there to hold the toppings. I like it. It's not my favorite. I'm a thick crust kind of guy, but it is an excellent pizza. It does remind me of perhaps a pizza that you would get in Italy more than in the United States or anywhere else. I would give this pizza, I'm gonna give it an 8.93. 8.93, that's my score. Very good score. And I am grateful for the little pickled cucumbers. They look delicious too. Price of the pizza, pretty reasonable. 180,000 Vietnamese dong, which comes out to this price in US dollars. Pretty good deal. Would I get it again? Definitely. Will we get it again? You will see soon. Have a great day, everybody. Cheerio.